Hello and welcome to this new stream. Today we are doing something different. Yeah, as you can see, there's no game and there's no stuff. I think it's clear that it's no secret anymore that we are the creator of PromptWars, and we are doing a deep dive into this week. We are explaining to you a little bit the technical insights and show you what new things we have prepared for our game mode. I can show you a preview. It's like a concept art. Things can change, but basically what it's about is, as you can see, the story is driven by this LLM. Like you have like this continuation of an endless story, and where you have different players in real time who can interact with it. I think it's pretty cool. What do you think, NPC1? Right?
Wow, that's something I've never seen before. A real-time multiplayer chat. Like, wow. Imagine texting with someone in real time. That's something so unique. I think everyone will love this.
Exactly, and the cool part about it, the items get generated automatically. Like, it's not implemented yet, but it's the future. It's the future of gaming, because you have like D&D, Dungeons and Dragons, with an endless story, and with your friends in real time.
That sounds interesting, but I see a lot of problems with that implementation.
What?
The items. How can the AI generate such items, and are there like grades or?
Well,
like
obviously,
mythic,
when it comes to logic, the AI is really bad, but that's why I create a template. Like, it's a template with a few attributes, like those standard attributes like attack, damage, and stuff like that. And the description of the items will be generated by the AI. So every time it's a new item, but it has like specific stats, a specific rarity. So, and it's randomized. Like, it's a probability that you get a legendary weapon, for example.
Okay, and what about the rarity of the items? Is this like, because in the picture I see just black?
Yeah, it's just
nothing special.
Common
Is there any?
weapons,
Yeah, is there rarity in this game?
Yes, I want to implement our rarity. It's, as I said, it's still in development, so it's not a real implementation right now, but I want to plan to include rarity like epic, the standard RPG style rarity, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
And you said the logic is not made by AI. The logic is a template, basically.
Yeah, like there is this part where the LLM generates JSON, and we are parsing it in the backend, but the JSON structure is defined by us. So
Okay.
I can basically show you the backend code. So basically,
bro leaked his IP address. I saw it.
What? No, where? No, I did not. No. You're trolling. We have a test case. This is just a test case, for example, like this. You see, this is a typical output AI can do, and we are parsing the values, only the values, and we are building the JSON of the item or the event or whatever is happening right now. So we are just taking the value, like the description of an item, and we reconstruct this JSON with a parser. Like, we sanitize the input, of course, for illegal characters, and then we validate it and we try to parse it into an object so we can have real items that is also saved into the database. Right?
Yeah, okay, that makes sense.
Yeah.
And do we have then something like, for example, let's say flame effect or burning damage? Do we have this also? Like, is this a possibility?
It's hard to say, because obviously if you just take the input from the output from the LLM, you need a way to make the backend know what is going on. Like, so it's a bit hard to implement that. Maybe we have to do it manually, like adding fire damage manually into the backend system. But the principle that the AI is making creative items should be like in an abstract way. Like it should be as abstract as possible to make many variations possible, right?
Okay. I see.
Yeah. So I can show you like how, let's start the backend and we are going back to the front end side. The new game mode is still in development. It's not finished at all, but basically what we have here is like, this is the website.
Oh, translation missing. I already can see why it's lagging.
Nah, it's not like that. It's just warnings. It's not important at all.
Oh, I saw your password. I thought the 5 characters, so I know your password exactly because how fast you typed it. And I think everyone knew it also. And of course, it's admin, the password, just saying.
It's localhost anyway. Like, it's localhost anyway. Yes, the password is admin in localhost. Oh, wow, you can hack me in localhost. Oh no, what is going to happen? What is... yeah, you are the troll. You are the troll here right now. Okay, so basically, you can choose here the game mode, right? And the GRPG mode, like how it could look like. It's just the beginning. It's not the end version. But you basically have here, like we can click here for the inventory, quest, map. Those are later features, more advanced features we can add later. But basically you have here your messages, and okay, right now you're not seeing it because the lobby bar component. Let me just quickly change it. So we have here the action bar, and let's just make it like, make the bottom margin bigger. Yeah. So basically you see like this, where you have like this attack, speak, and use item. I don't know if I want to do it like that or if I make it a chat box where you just type in and you know what I mean. Like you could make it when I press here, then it shows like a chat box and you can type your attack. Or this is like, I experiment with that, but basically this is a principle where you have like different actions you can do.
Okay. But what's the difference between attack and speak? I think when I speak, I also make an attack. I can say, hey, I want to attack the dragon with my fire sword or something like that.
Yeah, I could like, let's say I could make, for example, when you press attack, that you have to select a target. That you, on the screen, you have to select a target, for example, the enemy, and then you write your attack name, or you can even target one of the players.
Okay, interesting.
Would be a solution. Maybe there's a better one. It depends on this. But yeah, you can use the speak to like have like different. You can attack and speak, but depending on depending how I do it, it's a bit different. Yeah.
Okay.
Do you have any question?
Is someone in the chat has any question? No? Then I will continue.
Wait, do we even have a chat? Like, nah, we don't.
I don't know.
Nah, we don't. There's no one in the chat. Nobody cares about the code. Because I'm using Java. Is it because I'm using Java, huh?
Java is not the superior language. We know all that. The best language is some assembly, I think.
Do you want me to ban you? I can ban you right now.
And yeah.
Yeah, basically,
so, you just have a template, so it's not working at all. Like implementation. What do you think? How many weeks do you need to complete this feature? Because I really look forward to destroy you in this game mode also.
That's a good question. Like the estimated time for this is probably about a week, I would say, for the base, like to get the story going, like you get the message between back and forth, like you get the chat going. It will take a few days. It takes a while, so it's not like tomorrow it's finished or something like that, but maybe I have to change it. I cannot say, but I would say 1 or 2 weeks could be, yeah.
Okay, chat, please write it down. And in
No,
2
don't
weeks,
write it down. Don't, because in 2 weeks, if it's not done, then it's 2 additional weeks. But
I will trash talk you then.
yeah, I know.
Because you
I
said
know.
2 weeks, but you didn't finish.
Man, you're such a trash talker. But yeah, what makes this special, the code, is if you look at the backend. The backend is the core of this whole program. And we have, for example, here the lobby manager, where we manage every type of lobby. Not only one type, but in an abstract way, we have the possibility to like extend the game modes by creating different types of lobbies with a different game status, which basically means that we use a state pattern for the handling of the...
Your name is NPC Zero because you are the zero committer.
Nah, look my skills. Can you do this? I know you can do this, but can you like do this? Yeah? Like, do you know what this is? Yeah, you have no idea what I just did. You have no idea. Like, look at this. You see this? You have no idea what I just did. Yeah, that's two pro tactics right now.
Bro watched one shot and thinks he's hacker.
You are trash talking right now. But yeah, this is the new game mode, and I will end the stream.